Okay, now we've taken care of all our pavement items. So we have the turn lanes and we took care of the intersections and the driveways and whatnot. Now we want to talk a little bit about assigning super elevation to the corridor. So in order to assign super elevation to a corridor, you have to have super elevation either already created in the design file or in a separate design file and attached as a reference. Well, in our case, we've already gone ahead and attached a super elevation DGN file that has our super elevation calculations in it. So we're just going to use some previously created super elevation and assign it to our corridor. So to do that, let's go up to our reference files and review our super elevation drawing that's attached. So you can see here's our super elevation DGN. Right now it's toggled off, so I want to toggle that on. And you're going to see in the 2D view here, we have the super elevation section, and also the super elevation lanes are drawn along the corridor. And now we want to take that information and we want to assign it to our corridor so that the pavement super elevates or rotates the way it should. So we're going to go up to corridors. We'll go under calculate super elevation and assign the super elevation to the corridor. So we'll pick assign to corridor. It's going to ask us to locate our first super elevation section, which is this big shape here. And we're going to right click to complete. And then we're going to locate our corridor. So we're going to go and select our London Road corridor. And then you're going to see the associate super elevation window appear. And that's going to show you our two super elevation lanes that have been defined, one for the left side, one for the right side. And it's also going to show us the pivot points from the template that the super elevation is going to be applied to. So that's what those points are for here. And also it's going to show us our station ranges. And then we're going to click OK. And it's going to go through and apply the super elevation to our corridor. Okay. So upon first inspection, it's kind of hard to tell that it did anything, but we're going to go and review the cross sections so we can take a closer look just to make sure that it indeed did do some super elevation. So let's go and review the cross sections real quick. So I'm going to come up here to the element selection tool just to get out of the command. We're going to go up to the dynamic sections. Let's click on dynamic sections and open up a cross section view. So I'm going to click on this. I'll locate my corridor once again, London Road corridor. It's going to prompt me to select or open a view. So I'm going to go down here and select view number 7, create my dynamic cross section in. I'm going to left click inside of that view. And if everything works like it's supposed to, you're going to see a cross section here. And you can see my right-of-way markers on my cross section. That came from my right-of-way file. That's attached as a reference. And if we navigate through the sections, you can see that we indeed have some super elevation. The little purple boxes on the cross sections indicate that there was a super elevation point control created and assigned to the corridor. And you can see the 2 points that are being controlled in regards to super elevation and the template and the corridor. So if we scroll through here and we go into the area where there's probably going to be full super in the horizontal curve area, let's zoom up towards that area. You should see the pavement start to rotate up on the left-hand side. So we indeed have super elevation now, so that's good. And if you can continue reviewing the cross sections just to make sure that the super elevation's been applied.